Since 1989, New Jersey Precision Technologies, Inc. is the leading and largest all-Mitsubishi wire EDM and sinker EDM shop in the Northeast, offering contract manufacturing with innovative capabilities. Our mission is to improve lives through manufacturing innovation. We operate over 45 state-of-the-art Mitsubishi EDM machines, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our contract EDM machining capabilities include wire EDM, conventional sinker EDM, and small hole EDM for production and prototype opportunities. We have several large-capacity EDM machines that can hold a workpiece up to 52 inches long and 20 inches tall. We utilize all conductive materials including hardened metals, superalloys, high-performance alloys, and exotic metals for our wire EDM, sinker EDM, and small hole EDM. We are here to help customers in aerospace, medical device, and tool and die industries to effectively meet their needs. We also specialize in fast deliveries of custom plastic extrusion tooling for a variety of industries and applications. NJPT has a comprehensive tool inventory and tooling blanks in various sizes to speed up the process. With decades of die design and die building experience, we are well suited to produce, repair, or maintain all types of stamping dies for materials. We can manufacture the components with EDM or design and build the entire tool from piece, part, print to stamped product samples. NJPT is the preferred EDM manufacturer for the aerospace and defense industry, holding AS9100 and ISO 9001 certifications and ITAR registration. We have spent decades providing high-quality EDM components and services to the aeronautics and spaceflight industry. We achieve high-precision machining with EDM technology in the medical device industry, such as manufacturing surgical instrumentation, orthopedic implants, and other medical hardware, as we are ISO 13485 certified. With EDM, we can easily machine parts out of medical-grade materials, such as titanium and cobalt chrome, oftentimes without custom fixtures and tooling. Our services ensure a high level of quality assurance and customer support that will satisfy all requirements and standards of the aerospace and medical device industry. Our wire EDM services allow us to manufacture with precision and accuracy for applications where complex geometries, tight tolerances, and repeatability are essential. Contact us today to simplify your supply chain with our vertically integrated manufacturing solutions.